Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable home energy management for EV charging with Enphase. Complete guide step. To enable home energy management for EV charging with Enphase, start by ensuring you have the necessary hardware installed. Make sure your Enphase system is fully operational and connected to the internet. Access the Enphase Enlighten app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your Enphase account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Energy Management section within the app. Select EV charging from the list of options. Ensure your EV charger is connected to the Enphase system. If you haven't already, add your EV charger to the system by following the on-screen prompts. Check the settings for charging preferences. You can choose to set charging schedules based on your electricity rate or household energy usage. Adjust settings for preferred charging times if your utility offers lower rates during off-peak hours. Review the option for energy consumption tracking. This feature helps you monitor how much energy is used for EV charging compared to your overall usage. Utilize the smart charging feature to optimize when your EV charges based on solar energy production. Enable notifications to alert you when charging is complete or if any issues arise. Once all settings are configured, save your changes. Test the system by initiating a charging session through the app. Monitor the performance and adjust settings as necessary to optimize your energy management. Regularly check the app for any updates that may improve functionality. With these steps completed, you can effectively manage your home energy for EV charging using Enphase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.